top 10 best military maritime patrol aircraft in the world. Number 10. EMB-145MP. The EMB-145MP is a new generation multi-role aircraft made by Embraer. Number 9. ATR-72MP. The ATR-72 miles-per-hour engine turboprop short-haul regional airliner was developed. Number 8. C-295MPA. It is a twin turboprop tactical military transport aircraft being constructed by Airbus Defence. Number 7. An-74MP. The Maritime Patrol Aircraft is a Soviet or Ukrainian aircraft that guarantees security over coastal regions. Number 6. ATR-42MPA Surveyor. Alenia Armacchi of Italy created this. The ATR-42 short-haul regional aircraft served. Number 5. CN-235MPA. It is being developed together by Spain and Indonesia. The CN-235MPA is a Number 4. SAAB Swordfish MPA. SAAB, a Swedish aerospace and military company, has introduced the Maritime Patrol aircraft. Number 3. Kawasaki P1. He is a maritime patrol aircraft created and constructed by the Kawasaki Aerospace Company for use by Japan. Number 2. P-8 Poseidon. This is a maritime patrol aircraft developed and constructed by Boeing Defense, Space, and Security. It was Number 1. Lockheed P-3 Orion. The Lockheed P-3 is the undisputed champion. Orion is a 35.6-meter-long 4-engine turboprop anti-submarine and